Okay, hi guys. I just wanted to share with you something about using the news forum, or I guess the announcements forum, Foro de Novos, they call it in Gallego, for your classes. This is something that I used when I was doing the B2 Industriales class online, and it really made my life a lot easier and made the students' life easier to write a message before every class, every day, to let them know what we would be doing and what tools we would be using for that class. Um, the reason why it made my life easier is because I didn't have to answer the same question over and over again when I was online. So I would send my students um, this message at the beginning of the week, and in your case, it would just be maybe the night before or even the morning before class, letting them know everything that we would be doing in class that day. So let me show you an example of, let's see, this is work for the week of April 13th to 17th. This is just a summary of what we would be doing. It says here's a schedule for Friday's class, what we'd be doing for the first 2 hours. I broke it down into different parts: grammar, um, describing a scene, a video, and then I also always gave them the key to enter. In this case, it's the Zoom meeting, but in your case, it would be Campus Remoto. I would give them the password just in case they misplaced it. Of course, you only have to do that probably once. But and another thing I did was I embedded links into the announcement so that they could just go to the announcement before class every day, and they wouldn't have to. I wouldn't have to describe where to find things or where they were, even though it could be obvious. But you can create a link. Like I wanted them to use the questions forum, or they find the answers to the exercises, or the Vox Pop video. Okay, and when they click on that, it automatically takes them directly to where that is. And the way you do that, let me show you. I'm going to create real quick a new announcement or a new message for the students. So I'm going to call it today's class. Okay, and I write today. I want you to work on exercises, I don't know, 3A and 3B from the book. You can find answers here, okay, while you are doing you to ask me questions on the chat. Okay, so some people have trouble finding the chat, so you might create a link, and you have to first highlight the word chat, and then you create a link, and then you write the link to the chat. Okay, of course you have to have the links ready before you write the message, and I didn't do that, so let me show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna real quick copy this message so I don't have to rewrite it. So I go back, and I have to abandon this. You go back to you find the class chat, which is up here. Click on it, And the link is up here. Copy. Okay. And then when you write your message, this is something that I forgot to do. So here's the original message that I had, and here's the link to the chat. So I want them to go to the chat. So I type this in here and I insert the link. So now it's highlighted in blue, and they know when they drag over it, they can click on it and it's going to take them straight to the chat. I also want them to find the answers here. Okay, let's say that I've already found the link for that and I put it in. And so here you have like a nice way for them to always find out where they're going and where they should be. And that keeps you from spending a lot of time telling them over and over. Let's say you've got 20 students and one person couldn't hear the instructions, so you have to repeat it to them again and again. Well, if you write out the class plan every day, they can always just go here and find out where they're supposed to be. Of course, you can predict the times, and maybe those predictions will be wrong, but at least the students won't be as lost. Now, when you send this message out, you can, of course, you can attach a file if you want, but remember to click this square down here. It says enviar notificaciones del tema sin tiempo de espera para edición. Okay, if you don't click that, then it might take a couple of hours before it sends the message. And if you want them to get the message right away, let's say there's classes starting in an hour, well, you want to click that so it's immediately sent to everyone in the class, and it will be sent. It'll be sent because it's the news forum, the Foro de Noticias, or the announcements forum, I think it's called in English. It will be sent immediately to everyone's address because everyone is automatically subscribed to this forum. Okay. So I just wanted to let you know about that, and so you click here and that sends the message out. Of course, they always know that they can go to Faitic at the beginning of class and find this message as well, but this will send it to them as an announcement to them by their email as well. Okay, that's all. Just wanted to let you know about that.